and we accidentally got stuck.
Welcome back to our journey through Mexico. You last saw us in Itzcoco National Park.
Woo!
Since then, we've left the park and driven to La Malinche National Park, which is where we'll begin today's journey.
Good morning and welcome back. We are currently in Malinche National Park. We've been camping here for a couple days at this beautiful campsite in the middle of the woods, and it's been really quiet and really nice just to hang out in nature. We're currently packing the van up and we are going to leave and make our way into the city of Puebla today. This national park's been really great to spend a couple days at. Entry is free, and then there's a road that winds through, and just off the road are tons of free campsites. So that's where we were staying for the last couple days. It was really great. There is a volcano here as well that you can hike. We ended up not doing it because it's like a 6-hour hike and you can't take Finnley because there's mountain lions here. So we just relaxed in the woods and it was really nice. Yeah, this is where we got stuck. We came looking for Starlink signal the other day, so we came out to this field here and we accidentally got stuck in the field and slowly started rolling down as we were trying to get out. We ended up having to wait for a couple hours for the ground to dry for us to have enough traction to be able to drive back out of this slope, which was kind of funny.
Let's get going.
Unfortunately, our time in Puebla was very short-lived. We wanted to spend the day exploring the city and showing it to you guys, but with so much construction going on, parking was impossible.
This is supposed to be a two-way street that we're on,
Is it?
but I guess because parking is so crazy, it's doubled up.
After driving around for an hour, we decided to leave and begin the drive to Veracruz.
Welcome to Veracruz. We are in Cordoba, which is the coffee capital of Veracruz. And today we're going to be going to check out the coffee museum.
We're just in the coffee museum waiting for our tour to start, and Finnley's allowed to join us.
The museum was really informative. We learned about the history of coffee production and that 25 million people depend on the industry. Finland also has the highest consumption rate per capita, averaging 4 cups per person per day.
How's the tour?
It's really good. So far we've gone over the history of coffee and then the different methods of separation and grinding, machines throughout time, and now we're looking at flavors.
Hi Finnley, are you enjoying the coffee tour?
Coffee.
We did a tasting with local beans prepared 2 different ways, popped our heads in the gift shop, and then we were on our way.
Your pasta still works, but you can put it down. We just finished up at the coffee museum with our coffee tour, which was a lot of fun, very informative. It's always a little challenging doing tours in Spanish since our Spanish is very limited, but I think we got through it okay. And Yeah, we are back in the main square. It's getting kind of hot. We have to put Finnley's shoes on him. So we're just gonna make our way back to the van. We're leaving Cordoba now and heading a little bit further north to a pueblo mágico called Orizaba. If you've been following along with our road trip, in our last couple of episodes we were up in the mountains at very high elevation. We've come down quite a bit now. We're only at about 920 meters. So we're finding the temperatures are a little bit more hotter in the middle of the day. So we use that time to reposition so we can be in the van with the AC and we're not dying of heat outside.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to join the journey and we'll see you in the next one.